Hello smart students, welcome to learning video with me, Imratul Mufidah. I hope you are in a good condition. Guys, when you're watching this video, you should listen carefully, remember, and note the important things. Well, smart students, the first thing I want to ask to you guys, do you have any ideas what kind of sentences are these? Pause it and try to answer. Yeah, those sentences are expression of obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. And these are our topic in this meeting. So, are you ready to study this material, guys? Let's begin our lesson. Alright smart students, the main topic in this material are obligation yang artinya keharusan, prohibition yang artinya larangan, and suggestion yang artinya saran. What is an obligation? Obligation yang artinya keharusan atau kewajiban. Expression of obligation is to reveal the idea of must, talk about the rules, and etc. Jadi, obligation ini merupakan ekspresi untuk mengungkapkan keharusan atau kewajiban. Contohnya, sebuah aturan dan sebuah kewajiban. What is prohibition? Prohibition yang artinya larangan atau pantangan is an expression to warn others to not to do or breaking something that is banned. Jadi, prohibition ini merupakan ekspresi untuk memperingati orang lain agar tidak melakukan atau melanggar sesuatu yang bersifat larangan. And what is suggestion? Suggestion yang artinya saran atau usulan. Suggestion is an expression used to express suggestions as a name or an advice. Jadi, suggestion ini merupakan ekspresi yang digunakan ketika kita ingin memberi nasihat atau saran kepada seseorang. Nah, suggestion ini ada dua, suggestion yang melarang atau tidak melakukan, dan suggestion yang mengizinkan atau melakukan. When we want to express obligation, prohibition, and suggestion, we use modal verb. And what kind of modal verbs? Modal verbs for setting obligation, prohibition, and suggestion are... The first one is obligation. Modals for setting obligation are must and have to or has to, yang artinya harus atau wajib. Jadi, have to itu untuk subjek I, you, they, we, and has to untuk subjek she, he, it. The next one, modal for setting prohibition is must not, yang artinya tidak boleh. And modal for setting suggestion is should, yang artinya seharusnya. Should ini kalau misalnya melarang, berarti kita tinggal tambah not. Should not. When we want to make a sentence of expression an obligation, kita bisa menggunakan formula berikut. Subject plus must or have to or has to plus verb 1. For examples, I must wear uniform at school. Saya harus memakai seragam di sekolah. I as a subject, must as the modal verb, wear as a verb, and uniform as an object. At school, complement. Second, we have to respect our teacher. Kita harus menghormati guru. We as a subject, have to as a have to, respect verb, and our teacher as an object. Pattern of prohibition. Subject plus must, not, or mustn't plus verb 1. For examples, we must not cheat on the exam. Kita tidak boleh menyontek pada saat ujian. We as a subject, must not as a modal, cheat, verb, on the exam as an complement atau keterangan. You mustn't smoke. Kamu tidak boleh merokok. The next one is pattern of suggestion. Jika suggestion yang mengizinkan atau melakukan, formulanya yaitu subject plus should plus verb 1. Tapi jika itu tidak mengizinkan atau tidak melakukan, subject plus should not plus verb 1. For examples, if you want to go outside, you should wear mask. Jika kamu ingin keluar, kamu harus menggunakan masker. You as a subject, should as a modal, and were as an verb. It is winter. I should not drink cold water. Sekarang musim dingin. Aku seharusnya tidak minum air dingin. Well, this is another examples of expression obligation. It is necessary for students to follow the rules. Yang artinya, perlu bagi pelajar untuk mengikuti aturan sekolah. The next one, it is an obligatory to stop when the traffic light turns red. Sebuah keharusan untuk berhenti ketika lampu lalu lintas berubah menjadi merah. Every Monday is my responsibility to clean the classroom. Kewajibanku setiap hari Senin ialah membersihkan ruangan kelas. Jadi, vocabulary necessary, obligatory, and responsibility bisa digunakan untuk mengekspresikan obligation. The next example of expression of prohibition. It is prohibited to make graffiti on the school walls. Yang artinya, dilarang untuk membuat coretan di dinding sekolah. Next, you are not allowed to use smartphone in the classroom. Kamu tidak diperbolehkan untuk menggunakan smartphone atau ponsel di dalam kelas. Next one, it is forbidden to bring food from other restaurant. Dilarang membawa makanan dari restoran lain. Jadi, vocabularies prohibited, not allowed, and forbidden bisa kita gunakan ketika kita ingin mengekspresikan sebuah prohibition. Well guys, these are the vocabularies that you have to remember and memorize so that you can easily to understand in this material. Well, smart students, thank you very much for your nice attention, and I hope you guys understand this material. If you have any question, please write it down or please contact me. And the last I say, goodbye, smart students. See you next week.